My name is Richard Wood. I'm Vice President International Sales for Safran Software Solutions. I guess you would say our vision is to remain the world's leading project scheduling technology. You notice I use the word remain because we believe we currently are the world's leading solution for project scheduling. I think there are problems in two dimensions. In one dimension, you have the fact that any complex project is comprised of a number of variables like risk management, like variation orders, change control, like basic project scheduling and planning, which in a complex project is quite difficult to do. So one of the problems on that dimension would be managing all three of those variables together in a way that takes care of the interdependencies between risk and change and scheduling. The second dimension is more about the scale of projects. So some projects, even in asset-intensive industries, are very complex, worth many millions of billions of dollars, and some are much smaller. And so customers have a problem in organizing their project controls environment to allow for the scale of those projects. Do they have one system, one process for small versus large projects? And what technologies do they use to support those processes is a problem for many customers. At Safran, we set out to solve the problem of interrelating those variables in complex projects by providing one product, one technology, which includes all risk, change management, and scheduling in an integrated way. In fact, it's one product, so all the interdependencies and the impacts of risk and change and schedule are automatically taken care of, and that solves a big problem for the customer. At Safran, we also have designed an environment which is very role adjustable. So we can create hybrid roles for small projects where an individual may be both a project manager and a risk manager. We can do that very quickly. Or we can, for a complex project, have role-specific project managers and resource managers and so on. And therefore, we believe our product is fully scalable. Because Safran is focused exclusively on project scheduling, that's what we do and that's why we can claim to be best in class, we understand that customers require a much fuller project controls environment. They need cost management, they need contract management in its widest sense, and they need executive reporting, and therefore we form relationships with those companies we consider to be also best in class in those areas. And therefore, by coming to ourselves with Ecosys and SharpCloud, you have an environment which combines to be best in class and fully integrated. That solves another big problem for the customer. I think the future for project controls is about providing greater visibility of the enormous amount of data that we're talking about holding in products like Safran and Ecosys. It's about unlocking that data and allowing executives, project managers, team members, anybody with a need to look at that data, giving them visibility that's role-specific, that doesn't trouble them with extraneous information and lets them make fast decisions based in a way where that data is served up to them in a way that's easy to assimilate. To me, Safran is a focused project scheduling tool, and therefore that allows us to be the best in the world at this. But at the same time, it allows us to be very versatile and very flexible. We can offer any role in an organization a configurable, easy-to-use look at project data in a way that's exactly right for them. And to me, it's that versatility which is the great thing about Safran.